had to bring you guys a shorter wig because I know y'all like the shorter wigs, and I might like the shorter wigs too. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Y'all know when I come with the hype. When I come with the hype like this, it's gonna be a banger, y'all. Today I am reviewing this wig from Sensational. It's another wig I'm bringing y'all from the Barelace collection. It's the Y part Barelace. Her name is Daria. I'm cheesing, y'all. I don't do bobs. I don't do bobs, but I need to. I need to start doing bobs because look at me. Y'all don't even need to watch the review because, like, just get this wig. Like, she's perfect. She's so cute. She is perfect. Okay? I'm gonna show y'all how I put this wig on, wrap this up, and all that stuff. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into it. So I like to start off with my hair braided back. This is the Barelace Y-part wig in the style Daria. I have the color Secret Highlight Honey. This is what she's looking like fresh out the pack. Nice, beautiful, bouncy curls. As far as the cap goes, you're going to get that lace in the front. It's just like a T-part effect, and I like the silicone in the back. You get an elastic band so you can wear it glueless, and this is what the lace is looking like up against my skin. If this is not a definition of trust the process, I don't know what is. So I just wanted to line up the wig to see exactly how it's looking like that hairline. It's actually looking really good. You can wear it like this, but I'm just going to customize it just a little tad. So this is exactly what it's looking like. Like I said, it looks really good, y'all, but I went in with my hot comb, my tweezers, and just curled some of those baby hairs just a little bit. All of the products that I use in this video can be found linked in the description box under Wig Essentials. Now I'm just cutting the lace with some scissors, and then I go in with my eyebrow razor because I like that it's not so straight and it's a little jagged. If you notice, I'm pushing the baby hairs back because I'm choosing to use them, but you don't have to use the baby hairs if you don't want to. And the side of the wig no one's gonna see, so I just went in with my scissors. Now this is what it's looking like. If you notice, it's not like completely straight. Now I'm just gonna match that lace to my complexion. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder, but like I tell you guys, you can use lace tint spray, you can use makeup, you can use whatever you like to match the lace to your complexion. The bedhead spray just helps keep that powder in place. And now I'm adjusting the wig and placing it where I want to keep it. At first, like I was saying, you got to trust the process. So after lining it up where I want the wig to sit, I'm going to go in with my bedhead spray. This is actually hairspray, but I like it to secure my wigs. I have a whole video on different lace adhesives that are temporary. If you want, I'll leave it in the cards and you could check it out. But for me personally, I'm just choosing to use bedhead today. After drying down some of that spray I'm going to go in on the sides with this liquid bowl hold. This is not glue, guys. This is also a temporary adhesive, and then I'm going to put some of that bedhead on top of it. I really like the way this melts down the wig and secures it, especially when I'm melting the wig all the way down on the side. Sometimes the lace tabs don't secure just with spray alone, so I like to go in with the gel. So now after the other side is repeated, I'm going to go in with my melting band. These Velcro melting bands, I really like them. I'll leave a link below. And then after I did my makeup, do you see this melt? Oh, I was impressed, y'all. So now I'm just melting the lace some more. Sometimes after you do melt down the lace, it's like a white cast. And I really like this Ruby Kisses cream foundation for like those last final touches to the wig. And I'm just using both, actually the color of my complexion, and then I'm gonna go in with a darker shade, as you're gonna see later on. For the part, sometimes I use concealer, sometimes I use powder. Today I'm using powder. Use whatever you like. I find that going in with something in between that part really brightens it up, just to make it look a little bit more scalp like. Now I'm just gonna tackle these baby hairs. I didn't know what I wanted to do initially with it, but I decided to go in with my wispy kind of effect baby hairs, like my soft baby hairs, kind of swoop them. I didn't want like a firm stiff hole, so I'm using this Isha mousse. Now this is not going to secure the baby hairs like all day, but it did give me that effect where it just kind of kept it in place to give me more of a natural kind of soft hold. Now see, the wig is coming together. I told you trust the process. After applying just a little bit of synthetic wig spray and using this brush, which I highly recommend, I applied some final touches with my hot comb, and that pretty much was it, y'all. you know?
No?
No, I said, how you know?
I just said sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. Can you guys keep quiet, please? About the film.
We are back, y'all. Woo! First of all, you guys know that I don't do bobs, but I'm doing this bob right here. It's a new year, y'all. I think I need to start doing bobs. This is so pretty. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with some specs and then tell you guys how I feel, but I'm cheesing. This wig is from Sensational. It's from the Y-Part Barelux collection. This is the Y-Part DARIA wig. I reviewed a wig in this collection and it was a banger, y'all. It was a hit. If you have not seen that video, check it out right here. That was more of like a kinky textured straight wig, but I had to bring you guys a shorter wig because I know y'all like the shorter wigs, and I might like the shorter wigs too, okay? I did review that wig. It was Analia. Check it out right here. So this one right here, I had to bring you guys a different color because I like to see colors, because on the sites it's hard to see colors. So I have the color Secret Highlight Honey. Honey. I really like this wig, y'all. I'm like cheesing. A few specs. This is the Barelace collection. It's a thinner lace. I have reviewed, like I said, multiple wigs from this collection. I reviewed a whole 13x6 lace frontal, and I compared that to the What Lace collection. That video is also right here in the cards. Check it out. I'm giving y'all the videos. You just gotta watch them. So as far as this Barelace goes, what it's saying as far as like why this Barelace is like better than like the other laces from the other collections. It's saying it's supposed to be a 20% larger grid pattern, 40% thinner lace, shows more skin, dissipates through light, and it's a stronger lace fiber. This is a Y part, so this is not a whole 13x6 lace frontal. This is very beginner friendly. This means that you're only going to get like basically that lace in the front where we're getting like a frontal effect. So it's more like the Sensational Butter Lace collection where we just get a standard part, but I'm okay with that because who's cute? Who's cute? Who's cute? I showed you guys what the cap looks like. I gave you all the other specs. Let me show you how she looks all the way around. This is what she's looking like in the front, on the side, in the back. As far as the texture goes, it feels like a yaki. It's not too silky and it's not too thick. Like it's a perfect in-between like yaki wig, and I really am digging this wig. She's perfect. She's under $40 and I think she's so perfect. As far as the hairline goes, look at that hairline. Like she looks so good. This hairline looks so realistic. I love these like wispy baby hairs that I'm going in with. It's like really soft. I didn't like tack it down with gel and it looks so good. I'm really digging this Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I've seen a lot of reviews on this, but Nizzy Mac kind of sold me on it, so thank you, girl. And I really like the way my lace blends in with this Ruby Kisses cream foundation. So I'll leave the link in my description box under Wig Essentials where you can get everything that you've seen in the videos. They are all in the description box. I give you guys the answers to the test. You just gotta listen. I like this wig. As far as cons go, I don't really think I have any cons with this wig. I really don't. I'm not getting much like shedding with this wig. The only con that I might have is the cap feels slightly snug. Now, if you're familiar with the Butter Lace collection, you know that those caps are a little bit snugger. You know that those caps are a little bit tighter when it comes to Sensational wigs. Sensational is known for a little smaller wig caps. I'm sorry, y'all, but y'all gotta give us better, like bigger wig caps. But when you get the whole 13x6 lace frontal, I noticed that the lace caps get bigger. These caps will stretch out over time just by wearing them. I've noticed that, so keep that in mind. That's the only con. Now pros, it's all pros. I tell you guys all the time that synthetic wigs and length kind of don't match up because you start getting tangly, you start getting all this stuff. But this wig is short. And this is why I don't know why I don't wear bobs, but I need to, because this wig is beautiful. Like, she's so cute. I love like the layers in here. I love the curls in here. I love the secret highlights. Like, everything about this is a winner. I went in with my baby hairs kind of wispy effect. I didn't use any gel because I didn't want it to be like stiff down. So I just went in with this Isha lace melting setting mousse just to kind of get the baby hairs, because it's not gonna give it like a firm hold. It's gonna give it more like that wispy baby hair effect. I did pluck up this hairline just a tad, and that pretty much was it, y'all. Like, this wig is so pretty. I want more colors in this wig. Who's wearing bobs in 2024? This girl. I like her. I just think she's a winner, and that's it. That's it. Springtime's coming up, and I definitely want to get more colors. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one, but I absolutely do think she's a winner. It's nothing more to say about this wig except get her before she sells out. I am running my fingers through this wig. Do you hear me? It is short. It is not going to tangle. And when you're done with her, use Brandywine shampoo and conditioner. I really didn't have to use like a lot of synthetic wig products on this wig. I just went in with my little brush. This brush is the bomb, by the way. Anyway, that's another story. I just went in with my little detangling brush, and that was it, y'all. I'll leave some links below. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all let me know what y'all think. She's a winner, y'all. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye!